So, have you wondered why your black soap doesn't work wonders on your skin? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate your black soap base for a more whitening effect. Welcome to Bloom Skincare, and on this channel, I create content with an aim of helping you achieve a flawless skin. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, click on the subscribe button below to join the family and turn on your post notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get right into it, guys. This soap base we're making today is packed with active ingredients, but aside that, this base can be used to make different types of soap. You can use it in making your extreme whitening black soap, your lightening black soap, and even your glow soap. The method of soap making we shall be using today is the melt and pour method. But before we go any further, let me introduce you to the ingredients we'll be using for our formulation today. So the very first ingredients or the very first soap we shall be using in this formulation is none other than our Ghana black soap. And of course, you know that you cannot make your black soap without using your Ghana or your Nigerian black soap. Okay, so we'll be using our black soap in this formulation, and why I love this particular black soap is that it's very easy to work with. It's very soft. You can literally break it with your hands. Okay, it's very easy to manipulate. So aside our black soap, the next soap I would like to introduce you to in this formulation is our Ghana white balls. Okay, now they call this foam booster. This is also a black soap. Now, to blow your mind, you can actually use the white balls in making this formulation alone, but because I had both the white balls and the Ghana black soap, I decided to use both in this formulation. So you can use both, you can use either, it's all fine. It all depends on what you want. Now, aside the Ghana white balls, the next soap I'll be introducing you to is our ozone soap. Now, your ozone soap is an exfoliating soap, and it should be used in little quantities in your base. So if you add too much, it can end up giving you skin irritation. It can end up peeling your skin, giving you redness. So be very careful of how you use the soap. Okay, very little goes a long way. Up next, we'll also be adding our Mekako soap. Now, this is one of the best antiseptic soaps in the market. It's very good in treatment of a lot of skin conditions, ranging from acne to eczema to rashes, any kind of skin infection that you're having. This will take care of it. We'll also be going in with our Kampala soap, and this is a very nice soap. This is a whitening bar soap that you can inculcate into your black soap to make it more effective, okay, to boost the whitening effect. So we'll also be adding our Kampala soap into this formula. Now, aside our Kampala soap, we'll also be going in with our honey. Okay, so you cannot make your black soap without adding in your honey. Honey is very essential. It's a moisturizing agent, so it's going to make sure this soap does not dry out your skin. And you should also be careful not to add in too much honey, because it can make your soap very sticky. Now, aside our honey, to help us melt down our soap, we'll also be going in with our shower gel. And today I'll be using my Idol shower gel. You can use any shower gel you have at hand, it's fine. Okay, so We'll also be our adding in our Ashanti bar soup. Now this soup is made with papaya and honey, so it's a very nice, very gentle soup that will gradually lighten you up over time. So aside the Ashanti soup, I also added uh green balls and hash balls into the mixture and then cut it all up. Okay, so because I'm going to be melting the soup, I did not stretch, I did not grate it. I just cut it up into little pieces and then eventually we'll double boil this. But before that, to help the soup melt down properly, we'll be going in with a bit of our shower gel. So we'll be measuring out just a little amount and then we'll be pouring it straight into our soup base. Okay, now we just need very little. So once we are done with the shower gel, the next thing that will be going into this base before we set it on heat is our honey. Okay guys, so honey is very important when it honey prevents dryness of the skin, it moisturizes your skin, it keeps your skin supple and smooth. So it's a must in your black soap formulation. Just don't use too much of it if you don't want your black soap to have that sticky effect. Some people like it, some people don't. It all depends on you. Okay, so once you've added in your shower gel and your honey, the next thing that is left for you to do is to double boil your soup base. Okay, so you're going to double boil this by putting it in a saucepan that has water in it and cook it on low heat till everything is properly dissolved and incorporated. Okay, now remember the trick here is low heat. So after double boiling my bees, this is what it looks like. This is how smooth and silky the soup looks. You can use this base in making any type of soup you want. You can even use it in making your mulatto black soup. Okay, so if you've enjoyed this video guys, do not forget to like, do not forget to share, do not forget to subscribe. Okay, now this is the first part of this video. In the second part I'll be showing you what oils and what serums to add into your soup to make it even more whitening. Okay, for that usha prapra effect. This is why you have to subscribe to this channel, because I give you good content back to back guys. Okay, so thank you so much for all your support, thank you so much for all your love. Keep watching, keep subscribing, and until I come your way in our next video, remain blessed.